So I wanted to make a small video to demo my Arduino Thermostat that I made. As you can see, it has two LCD screens and then four tactile buttons. Obviously, temperature up, temperature down. This is the fan on-off button, and then this is the filter reset button. I have a real-time clock that will track the filter life, and once the filter gets to 90 days, this tactile button will actually they have LEDs in them, and this will light up blue and start blinking and remind me that I need to change the filter. And then as soon as I do that, I can just hit the button and reset, and it sets the filter life back to 90 days. And then this down here obviously is the heat and cool switch. I have little tags to label everything. I haven't put those on just yet. Looking inside, this looks absolutely terrible. This looks just like a jumble of wires. But powering it, running everything, I have a SaneSmart Arduino Mega. There you see a 4-relay switch, or 4-relay panel. I'm only using 3 of them for heat, cool, and fan. Down here I have a real-time clock module. Buried back in here, it's kind of hard to see. This is a ESP8266. It's the Wi-Fi chip, and when running, it will currently just upload data to ThingSpeak, and then I get graphs like this, which show me if I really feel like tracking the house temperature. And then down here in the bottom, I have, this is a 3.3 volt regulator for the ESP8266. It has to have its own special power source. It can't be powered from the Arduino. It requires a little bit too much power. Also buried down in here, probably can't see, it's a low light, but there is an RF transceiver, serial RF transceiver, which communicates with an external wireless transceiver I have up in my son's room. It monitors the temperature up in his room. His particular room gets the sun in it all day and just kind of heats his room up really fast. And so basically I want to monitor the temperature in his room, and so whenever the temperature gets above a certain point, I think I have it set to like 78 degrees. Right now I need to tweak it. It will automatically turn the fan on. And I can also change that to automatically turn the air conditioning on if I need to, which I probably will over the summer. Down here, this is an infrared proximity sensor. The LCD screens are backlit blue, and I don't want those on all the time, not only just for the power, but they're bright and annoying, and I don't want them on at night. So this sets up so if you're just standing in front of it, it's set to about 8 or 9 inches. It'll turn on. When you walk away, they'll turn back off. So right now I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and show you how it boots up, how it runs. So first plug it in, you've got the loading screen. This is set up. It's going to wait about 10 seconds so the Wi-Fi module can connect. And then there you see you've got your set temperature, the current temperature, whether it's in, so you see the proximity sensor. If you're not directly in front of it, it just turns off, so I gotta be careful about that. Okay, so now you can see I can set the temperature up to whatever. And it should kick on. Be really nice if it did. There it goes. You see there's a little light in there showing that the heat finally kicked on. And then I guess it's got a little bit of delay. I didn't write all the actual thermostat code. I had to borrow that from somebody else, so and it was written rather strange, so I don't really totally understand how it works. But it's got a little bit of delay. It usually waits a few seconds before it turns off or on. And then flipping the switch to cool, that'll be the air conditioning. And since the set temperature is 70 and it's currently reading 73, the air conditioning should kick on here any second. And while we'll wait for that, you see down here, there we go. So both the air conditioning and the fan are turned on. Down here, this is the temperature in my son's room and the filter life timer. So you can see the filter is down into 89 days. Reset that, it goes back to 90. And then other than that, you can just turn the fan from on to auto. That is pretty much it. Up here you have this is a DHT11 temperature humidity sensor. I'm just using it for temperature right now. That is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.